Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a look at the Jordan 3 by Jordan Brand in the Georgetown colorway. These released on the 27th of March 2020 here in the UK for the retail price of £165. Quick disclaimer, this pair is 100% authentic, and I want to say a massive thank you to Gosh for the raffle win, and it comes in your special navy blue, white and grey elephant print box. The style code is CT8532-401, and inside the box comes the shoes in grey cement wrapping paper, and the shoes come with an extra set of navy blue laces. As much as I love the packaging, we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. I like to call these the navy cement threes, as this Jordan features the same colour blocking as the original black cement threes, this time with an all over navy blue tumble leather twist to it. Like its name suggests, this shoe is inspired by the Georgetown University player exclusive colourways from the past and now in general release form. This all sits on a white midsole with clear air bubble units and a grey outsole. Quality wise, although it's your standard synthetic tumbled leather, it feels soft to touch with decent quality. Construction wise was also pretty good, with minimal glue stains and no stitching errors. Sizing wise, Jordan 3s tend to be wide foot friendly, and I recommend staying true to size. Jordan 3s are far from the most comfortable or breathable shoes, but overall they offer decent all-day cushioning and traction. So the question is, are these a 2 pairs minimum? I'll give this a cop. It's not really a mandatory pickup for me personally, but the colorway is clean, easy to style, and the quality was decent. So I just wanted to quickly get this in for you guys to share my thoughts. Now it's time for yours. Did you manage to pick these up? Did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know why in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment town to show me you watch this video to the end. Please like, subscribe, share, and follow me if you like more of this content. Apart from that, have a good day.